Misa mar ringre Magoha timore kanisa mar Kopere ma Consolata Shrines boma ma Nairobi kawuono. Misa no yor kod jotelo mopogore anyuola kod osiepe mag familia mar Magoha. Sinfros Okinda luo misa no kendo ikono lipodni.
Kar sadek mar okinyi. Misa mar ringre Magoha ne ochakore e kanisa Kopere ma Consolata Shrines Westlands. Anyuola osiepe kod jotelo mopogore ne oyuoro mar chiwo luor ne mosenindo Magoha. Johera Magoha kod joma ne otiyo godo omedo puoye e neno. Laktar Magoha, ma en wuod mosenindo, owuoyo kuom thuolo mokwongo e lela nyaka ne wuon gi wet ngimane. Olero osiep mane nitie kindgi kod wuon mare komedo ni Magoha ne jahera.
He was available. It didn't matter if he was a surgeon, if he was a cabinet secretary. And that's because he believed in family. And it was always the same. One phone call. If he can talk, he talks immediately. If he can't talk, immediately he finishes, he would come to me. And that's for 38 years of my life. I realized everybody forgets when he failed because I saw how he reacted. And what hits me more, if I feel like that, the person who knows a lot more is my mom. Because as I have a child now, by the time it reaches your child, it's really stressing you.
Minod mosenindo Laktar Barbara Magoha medo paro jaode kaka jal mane oketo dwaro mar joode nyime kano jiwo dongruok mage.
My husband's life has been on 3 pillars. His God that made him, starehe that molded him, and medicine. Everything of his, he did in medical precision. You take history, which is the problem, you investigate, make a diagnosis, and make the decision. Some people found it odd. We medics, we don't have time for storytelling. Is either this or that.
Joma ne otiyo kod Magoha e sectors mopogore opako tije maler kod chimruok tir gi bero ngima oganda.
Professor Magoha was a visionary and a transformative leader who was always determined to move the country's education sector forward.
He used to say that public service is a calling, and indeed it is. So when you're in public service, he would say, don't worry about resting. There will be plenty of time to rest in the grave.
Professor Magoha would approach any task that he set out to do. His work ethics was driven by one singular goal, to deliver nothing but the best.
First book of Chronicles 4 verse 9, the prayer of Jabez. With that prayer of Jabez, take care of your home. May the Lord protect you, expand your territory, you and Michael. And I know that for sure, the Lord that takes care of widows, as put in Revelation 21 verse 3, will wipe your tears. May the good Lord that I worship rest Professor Saul in eternal peace.
Magoha nosiko kapako tiegruok makare manoyude skund yawuoyi ma Starehe Boys. Ten sikundno kod joma ne opuonjore Starehe bende oparo ber Magoha.
He has been a great supporter of Starehe. In fact, in words he spoke in Mombasa on the 19th of November 2018, he said, I will give my last drop of blood to Starehe. His exemplification of the values that defined him in Starehe, again, is self-evident.
Ringre ngire Magoha biro nindo e pare ma Lavington otieno makawuono. Kiny koromo saa 7 wang'e ringre Magoha igeno ni biro chopo e skund primar mar Yala Township manitiere kaunti ma Siaya. Toke kanyo ringre no ibiro ter nyaka skund sekondar mar St. Mary's Yala kama oganda biro yudo thuolo mar neno ringre Magoha. Magoha biro nindo e pare ma Umira koiko Kopo mogik ma bende biro timore tarik 11 Ngeso mano madu mar 2. Kowuok Consolata Shrines e boma ma Nairobi, nyinga Sinfros Okinda.